Welcome to Lab Pro Inc., your trusted leader in cleanroom products and supplies since 1979. At Lab Pro, we specialize in providing everything you need to maintain a safe, efficient, and compliant cleanroom. From cleanroom PPE apparel to cleanroom swabs, wipes, mops, gloves, and even cleanroom labels, we have you covered. We also offer a wide range of cleaning chemicals specifically designed for cleanroom environments, as well as durable and ergonomic cleanroom furniture to keep your space organized and compliant. Lab Pro partners with the industry's top brands like Techniglove, Ansell, Texwipe, Berkshire, Lakeland, PIP, and Lab Clean to ensure you get the highest quality products. And don't forget about our vendor-managed inventory services for cleanroom supplies. With Lab Pro's VMI, we make it effortless to manage your cleanroom lab consumables, ensuring you always have what you need when you need it. Established in 1979 and headquartered in California, Lab Pro has been a trusted name in laboratory supplies for over 45 years. Our mission is simple yet profound: to improve lives through innovative laboratory products and solutions. Whether you're outfitting a cleanroom or looking for expert solutions, trust Lab Pro to deliver unmatched quality and service. Visit us at labproinc.com and experience the Lab Pro difference.